Yeah, and I want to ask you a question with that, which is, what is your growth strategy? What are you doing? What are the things that you're doing to further grow your channel to maybe 500,000, 1 million subscribers?
I wouldn't say there's anything special. I think it's kind of just been organic. Yeah, on YouTube, it just grows, and I see the videos get shared by a lot of other people. And the first time, I think the first time somebody recognized me on the street, I remember it was in North York. It was in a plaza. We're just like walking around, and some guy comes and says, "Hey, I love your videos." And I was like, "Oh, this is great," like I never expected that. This guy really, came all the way from over there just to tell me this, and then just to say thank you, and then he left, right? So from that moment on, and this happened later on again, many other occasions. But I noticed that those people, like, people tell me themselves, they're like, I share your videos everywhere. I tell everybody about them, and I noticed that that's kind of been helping the channel grow as well, because people who really love and enjoy it are the ones who are spreading it out there. I don't.
Right.
I mean, I do post videos on my Instagram, but my Instagram account is not that big, and now that it's grown a little bit, uh, you know, it is still half of the people are, I would say maybe like a third of them are people that I know personally, that I've met in person, or they're friends and family, right? I do post videos on there, but I don't think that's really helping the channel grow. I think what helps a lot is just the videos trending, or people who are big fans
Right.
of the channel spreading them.